In this video, I'll guide you through how to add data to users with custom user properties in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your own properties so you can store the right information about each team member and keep your portal organized and easy to manage. Let's start from inside your HubSpot account. First, you'll need to open your settings. Look toward the top of your screen for the gear icon in the main navigation bar. This is your entry point to all the configuration options in HubSpot. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the settings area. Once you're in settings, you'll notice a menu along the left-hand side. This is the sidebar where different sections are grouped. To work with user properties, you'll want to head to the section called Users and Teams. It typically lives under a broader category called Data Management in the left sidebar. Click on Users and Teams to open the settings related to your team members and account access. At the top of the Users and Teams page, you'll see several tabs. These separate different parts of user management. Look for the tab labeled Custom User Properties. This is where you can define extra data fields that aren't included by default in HubSpot. Click into that Custom User Properties tab to view any existing properties and to create new ones. Now you're ready to create a new property. On this page, find and click the Create Property button. This is the starting point for adding a new data point you want to store for each user. Think of a property as a field in a spreadsheet column. You're deciding what kind of information you want to track, like office location or certifications. When the creation panel opens, you'll first want to confirm the object type. I'm going to walk you through how to make sure user is selected as the object type, because that tells HubSpot that this property belongs to users, not contacts or companies. With user set, you'll then choose a group. Groups help you organize related properties together, so you might have a group for internal details, HR information, or team assignments. After you pick a group, enter a clear, descriptive label. For example, you might type in office location, region, or certifications. This label is what your team will see when they update or filter by this property, so keep it simple and easy to understand. Next, you'll choose the field type, which controls how the data is entered and stored. This is an important choice because it affects consistency and reporting. If you want users to pick from a controlled list of options like New York, London, or remote, choose a drop-down select. If you need to allow multiple options at once, such as several skills or certifications, use a multi-check field. For simple, free-form text like a short note or a custom title, select single-line text. Think about how you'll use this information later when deciding on the field type. Drop-downs and checkboxes are great for reporting and filtering, while text fields are best for unique or flexible entries. Once you've reviewed your selections and you're happy with the object type, group, label, and field type, you're ready to finalize everything. Click the Create button to save your new custom user property. HubSpot will now add this field to your user records so you can start filling in that information for each team member and using it in views, filters, and reports. That's all you need to add data to users with custom user properties in HubSpot. With just a few clicks in settings, you can capture exactly the details your organization cares about and keep your user data structured and useful.